Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to turn the spell checker features on or off in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Firefox browser. And then dito na sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang itong 3-line icon na to. Ito yung tinatawag na Open Applications menu. And then click lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa settings, and then dito lang sa right side, dito lang sa under sa general, ay kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung language. Okay? So paano ba natin i-turn on or off yung spell checker? So dito sa language, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung check your spelling as you type. So, i-check mo lang itong box. Ganito siya. Kung uncheck mo naman siya, so uncheck lang natin yan. Ganito. So, wala ka nang ibang gagawin yan kundi i-check itong box. Right? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to turn spell checker on or off in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.